Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Eng Pod, the place where we learn English and build a better life, one small step at a time. Let me start by asking you a personal question. Have you ever made a promise to yourself? A promise like, this year I will finally become fluent in English, or starting Monday, I will exercise every day. You start with so much energy, so much excitement. But then life happens. A busy week, a tired evening, and suddenly that promise is forgotten. You feel disappointed in yourself and think, maybe I just don't have enough willpower. If this sounds familiar, I want you to listen very closely. The problem isn't you. The problem is the strategy. Today, we are going to talk about the real secret behind achieving any goal. It's not about sudden bursts of motivation. It's not about being perfect. It's a quiet, humble, but incredibly powerful force called consistency. In this episode, we will explore what consistency truly means, why it's more powerful than motivation, and how you can build it into your daily life to finally achieve your English goals. This isn't just another lesson. This is the key that can unlock your potential. So get comfortable and let's begin.
What is consistency? The secret code of success. So what is this magic word, consistency? In simple terms, consistency means showing up and doing something regularly over a long period, even when you don't see immediate results. It's about small actions repeated daily. Think about it like this. If you go to the gym and try to lift the heaviest weight on your first day, you will probably injure yourself and never go back. But if you go every day and lift a small weight, over time, your muscles will grow stronger, and soon you'll be lifting weights you never thought possible. Let me tell you a short story. It's called The Parable of the Stone Cutter. A man comes across a stonecutter hitting a huge rock. He hits it once, twice, 10 times, 50 times. Nothing happens. Not even a small crack appears. He hits it 99 times, and still the rock looks exactly the same. But on the 100th hit, the rock splits in two.
Now, was it that final hit that broke the rock? Of course not. It was all the 100 hits that came before it. Every single tap, even the ones that seemed to do nothing, was adding pressure and weakening the stone from the inside. Your English learning is that rock. Every day you listen to a podcast, learn a new word, or practice speaking, even for just 5 minutes. You are the stone cutter. You are tapping the rock. You might not see the crack on day 1, or day 10, or even day 50, but you are making a difference. Consistency is the art of tapping the rock, again and again, until it breaks open and reveals your success.
Why is consistency so powerful? The engine, not the spark. Many people believe that the key to success is motivation. They wait to feel like studying. But here's the truth. Motivation is a spark. Consistency is the engine. A spark is bright, hot, and exciting. It can get you started, but a spark dies out quickly. An engine, on the other hand, is a system. It's reliable. It runs quietly in the background and takes you where you want to go, day after day, in any weather. When you are consistent, you are building that engine. You are creating powerful new pathways in your brain. Scientists call this neuroplasticity, but think of it simply as training your brain's muscles. Each time you repeat an action, that muscle gets a little stronger.
Let's do some simple math. Imagine you decide to learn just 5 new English words every day. On day 1, you know 5 new words. It doesn't feel like much. After 1 week, you know 35 words. That's a good start. After 1 month, you know about 150 new words. Now you're starting to notice a difference in your conversations. After 1 year, you will have learned over 1,800 new words. You have built a huge library of vocabulary in your mind, not by trying to cram 1,800 words in one weekend, but by laying one small brick every single day. That is the magic of the compound effect. Small, smart choices plus consistency over time create radical results. Don't wait for the spark of motivation. Build your engine.
The incredible rewards go far beyond just improving your English. You are upgrading your entire life. First, you build unstoppable momentum. Progress creates more progress. When you see yourself improving, even slightly, it gives you the confidence to keep going. It's a positive cycle. Second, you develop powerful self-discipline. Discipline is not about punishment. It's the ability to do what you said you would do. By being consistent, you are training your mind to follow through on your promises. This skill will help you in your career, your health, and your relationships.
Third, you build unshakable self-confidence. Every time you keep a promise to yourself, you build self-trust. You start to see yourself as someone who is reliable and capable. You stop saying, I hope I can do it, and you start saying, I know I can do it. And here is a benefit that most people don't talk about. You find mental peace. When you have a consistent plan, you don't have to waste mental energy every day deciding if or when you will study. You eliminate the stress of procrastination and the anxiety of feeling like you're falling behind. You just follow the system. It's calm, it's peaceful, and it's effective. Challenges on the path. Fighting your inner dragons. The journey of consistency is a heroic one, and every hero must face their dragons. These are the challenges that will try to stop you. The first is the dragon of fatigue. This dragon appears at the end of a long day, whispering, "You're too tired. Just skip today. You can do double tomorrow." Your magic weapon, the 5-minute rule. Tell the dragon, okay, I will only study for 5 minutes. Almost always, after 5 minutes, you will find the energy to continue. And even if you don't, 5 minutes is infinitely better than 0. You have kept your promise. The second is the dragon of boredom. This dragon makes your routine feel dull and repetitive. It says, "This is so boring. Let's do something fun instead." Your magic weapon, variety. Keep the habit consistent, but change the activity. If you usually listen to a podcast, try watching a short documentary in English today. If you normally use an app, try writing a short story.
keep your brain engaged and curious. The third and most dangerous is the dragon of doubt. This dragon attacks your mind. It says, you've been doing this for a month and you're still not fluent. It's not working. You're wasting your time. Just give up. Your magic weapon, your progress journal. This is your shield. Keep a simple calendar and put a big X on every day you practice. When the dragon of doubt attacks, hold up your calendar and look at your chain of X's. That is the proof that you are making progress. You are the stonecutter. The results are coming.
Your blueprint. How to build an unbreakable habit. Ready to build your own system? Here is a simple 4-step blueprint. Step 1. Start absurdly small. Choose a habit that is so easy you can't say no. Not study for 30 minutes. Try open my English notebook or listen to one English song. The goal of the first week is not to learn, but to show up. Step 2. Anchor your habit. Attach your new tiny habit to an existing one. This is called habit stacking. For example, after I brush my teeth in the morning, I will read 1 page of an English book. Or, while my morning coffee is brewing, I will review 5 vocabulary flashcards. Your old habit becomes the trigger for your new one. Step 3. Build your golden chain. Get a calendar and a pen. Every day you complete your habit, draw a big, beautiful X on that day. This line of X's is your golden chain. Your only job is to not break the chain. This simple visual is incredibly motivating. Step 4. Obey the 2-day rule. This is critical. You might miss a day. Life is unpredictable. That's okay. But the rule is never miss 2 days in a row. Missing 1 day is an accident. Missing 2 days is the beginning of a new negative habit. Always get back on track the very next day.
Let me end with one more story. There was a man named Leo who wanted to learn English. He had tried everything, expensive classes, difficult books, but he always quit. One day, he met an old woman who had a beautiful garden. He asked her, "How did you create something so amazing?" She smiled and said, "I didn't create it all at once. I am just a gardener. Every day I come here. Some days I just pull one weed. On other days, I just give a little water to one flower. And on rainy days, I just sit and watch, protecting it. The secret is not to do a lot, but to do a little, with love, every day." This changed Leo's perspective. He decided to become a gardener of words. He didn't see English as a mountain to climb, but as a small garden to grow. Every day he would plant 1 or 2 new words. He would water them by listening to a podcast, letting the sounds wash over his mind. He would pull the weeds of his mistakes by practicing speaking, even if it was just to himself. His garden started small, but day by day it grew. A new flower of vocabulary here, a strong root of grammar there. After a year, his small patch of land had become a beautiful, flourishing garden of English. He was fluent, not because he was a genius, but because he was a patient, consistent gardener.
So, what have we learned today? Success is not a lottery ticket you win with motivation.
It is a garden you grow with consistency. It's being the stonecutter, tapping the rock every day. It's building an engine that runs quietly and powerfully, taking you towards your dreams. Results will come slowly, but they will come. Don't be discouraged if you don't see a huge change tomorrow. Your job is not to worry about the results. Your job is to show up today. So I leave you with this mission. Your quest begins now. Choose one absurdly small action you will take for your English garden today. Will you learn one new word? Listen to one song? Write one sentence? Decide right now and write it in the comments below to make it real. Thank you for listening. Keep showing up, keep tapping that rock, and keep watering your garden. You are doing something amazing, and you have everything you need to succeed. Until next time, take care.